Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's video, I'll be making simple yet so delicious chicken curry. Washed it 3 times and marinated with turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder and some garam masala for about 1 hour. Here are some ingredients for our base, which is gravy. So I have 3 to 4 green chilies, 5 to 6 small onion. Here I have taken some whole spices, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, clove, black pepper and star anise and cinnamon stick. I have tagged everything in the description box. You can make a bigger batch and keep it in the freezer. I have also roasted some grated coconut. So all these ingredients I have roasted in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So once it's cool off, I'm going to make a paste in a mixer grinder. Onion and coconut gravy on the left and onion and whole spices on the right. Added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Let's add some onion, tomato, ginger and garlic paste and our gravy mixture that we just grinded. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it well. Added salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Mix it well. Alright, so I've added 5 to 6 tablespoons of our gravy of onion, whole spices and coconut. Mix it well until the oil oozes out. Alright, so I've added chicken to cook in that gravy. Let's add half a cup of water and then keep it covered. Let's add some water to cook the chicken thoroughly, about 2 cups. Added some more masala for the gravy to thicken up the gravy. Alright, so after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm checking this. I've added half a tablespoon of salt because I felt like I need more salt in it. I'm also adding the crushed roasted fenugreek leaves just to enhance the flavor of this curry. Let's cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes and then we will garnish it with coriander. Alright, here is my dish looking. This is puri and chicken and with some salad. So I hope you like this chicken curry recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch my other recipes. Bye for now.